Aku tak dengar pun apa. Okay. Okay, Assalamualaikum everyone. Dawish, can you hear me, Dawish? Can you hear me, Dawish? Can I? You need a exercise book and yeah, a pen or pencil. Okay. You have paper? Yeah. Okay. Good. Okay. Come. Turn on your videos. Come. Who is this? Putra. Who is not in? Ilhan. Just give me a moment. Let me just inform Ilhan. Okay. All right. Just before we start this, I am now going to show you something. All right. On the board, you try to do this first. Okay. Can you see the board? Putri, come turn on your videos, Putri. What is it? Okay. We write this A, B, C, D. Now this triangle, you need to know how to use this triangle right until secondary school. Okay. So if I ask you what is the formula for A, you cover A. All those that in a straight row, you have to multiply them. So if I say formula for A, you cover A, what's the formula? The formula is B times C times D. If I ask you what is the formula for B, can you see now? I write formula for B. A is on top, C and D are below. So it's actually A divided by same row C times D. Okay. If I ask you what's the formula for C, you write C. Okay. A is on top, B and D are below. So it's times like that. Okay, now you ask for D, A is on top, B and C are below. Okay, you get it or not? Don't get it Get it, don't get it. Dawish, okay or not? Okay, Dawish, come.
I get it. I
Get
get
it,
it.
Get it? Okay, great. We are going to change lah. This one now. This can be DST. This one is a 3. This one we have done really, right? We have done speed. Yeah, today we are going to do volume lah. So down here now, you have something like this. Length, breadth, and height. Can you write down what's the formula for volume? This of rectangular cuboid. Length, what's the formula for length? What's the formula for breadth? What's the formula for height? Can you send your answers to me? Okay, you know the chat function, Dawish? There's a chat function. You can send your answers there. So we want you to send, okay, all of you, what's the formula for volume, length, breadth, height? Of what? Of a rectangular cuboid. Like that. So there's breadth, there's length, there's height, and the whole thing is the volume. Can you send them? Let us see whether you know how to use this formula. If you want to find the volume, yeah, you cover volume and so on so forth. Can you send the formulas, please? And then we are going to go through into volume straight. Where is Mr. Ilhan? Let me just... Okay, send your answers, huh? Davish, you can send by the chat function, huh? Oh, you all have sent. Sorry, I didn't check. So sorry, so sorry. Okay, Akil. Okay, Akil. Okay, Zahin. Okay, Akil. Okay. Okay. So Davish, this is for question for what? The volume, eh? Let us see, half times V. Okay. Okay. So we go one by one. Darwish, you're giving is half times V down here, is it? You're writing? Okay, there's no half. There's no half. Huh? So you want volume, length times breadth times height. That is your formula. Okay, then you try the next one. Half is for triangle. This is not the formula for area of triangle. Huh? Okay, Akil, let us see. Akil, okay. For L, Akil, okay for all of them. What about Zahin and Putri? For the rest of them? Okay, Putri, correct for volume. Putri, for length is terbalik. So, Darwish, if you want to find length, cover length. Zahin also. So, what's the formula? Can you see the formula is given here? If I want to find length, can you see that there's volume over breadth times, so it's volume over breadth times height. Can see now. Okay, so your try for breadth and height. Okay, Putri, your answer is terbalik. You are saying breadth and height over volume. That's terbalik, yeah. What you mean is V divide by lah. Okay, I assume it's correct lah, Putri. You know what I mean? Volume is on top. Okay. If your volume is on top, so far all three are correct. Okay, I'll run through shortly. Okay, never mind. We'll revise this in a moment. So you want to find breadth, volume over length times height. You want to find height, volume over length times breadth. Now this triangle, you got to know next time you'll be having other formulas. So you got to know this. Anyway, never mind. We'll move on straight to the worksheets. Okay, we are going to do this. So, Mr. Akil, it might be a revision for you. Okay, so, but it's all right. Can you try now? Okay, all the tick ones, I will tick for you. You must know about conversion. So let us tick for you now. Okay, this one. All those that are tick, okay? When you send your answers, do send me your, in case if you do not know, this 1 liter is equal to 1,000 cubic cm. In case you don't know, 1 liter is also equals to 1,000 milliliters. Okay, we have Zahin, first one correct, 1A correct. Putri, 1A correct. Zahin, 1B correct. Akil, 1A not correct. Putri, don't need to do 1B. Okay, 1B is correct, but don't need to do 1D, Putri, 1D. Don't need to do B, Akil, correct. What about Darwish? Are you okay, Darwish? You know how to convert? Now, if you do not know, you need to times by 1,000. And some, depending on where you are, sometimes you need to divide by 1,000. So Akil, well done for D, well done for A. Zahin, okay, this one down here, just take note for number 2. 1 ml is equal, is equal to 1 cm cube. Down here I wrote 1 liter, 1 ml is equal to 1 cubic cm. So Darwish, what was the first one, Darwish? Okay, I need to just stop for a while. Okay, the rest carry on, Darwish. 1 liter is 1,000 ml. 3 liters is how many thousand?
3,000.
3,000, so 3,009 lah. Okay, are you okay? 3,009. So Darwish, you try number B now. B for boy.
6,000.
Yes. Do you know how to use the chat button or not?
Yeah.
So you can send answer. Okay, what about D? You just times by 1,000 now. Times by 1,000. What do you get? You know how to shift the decimal place?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Well done, D for Putri. Okay, Darwish, okay, well done. Okay, so you all can continue. Let's see who else. Down here come Mr. Zahin. This one is not correct for you. Putri, correct? Let me see. Do you give me a second answer, Zahin?
Am I correct?
No. You see, this one now, 1 milliliter is equal to 1 cubic cm. Now you must be able to imagine. Yes, Darwish, correct? 1 is equal to 1. So it's what? 1 to 1. Okay, well done, Putri. You have got completed all correct. Get a free prize later. All right, so 1 to 1. So how much is it? How much is it? Come on, Mr. Akil. 1 to 1. Akil. Zahin, Akil. 5, 6, 7 lah. 1 to 1. What? Same thing. Now, if you cannot imagine, I will show you in a moment what it is. Next one down here, 6,009. Okay, because 1 liter is 1,000. Then 9 milliliter is 9 cm cube. So you get it, You must be able to imagine the next one just times by 1,000. Just times by 1,000, you get 70. Now you got to imagine a lot of people don't know what is milliliters and cm cube. Now you know what's 1 cm cube. I'm going to draw for you, or maybe I draw on this screen here, so that you get it. Now you have taken sometimes using a spoon. You have taken like this medicine. Let's say now you can see this spoon here. This is a teaspoon. Teh tarik. You get teh tarik, they get this spoon. The small spoon. Okay, this small spoon called teaspoon. Okay, teaspoon. You all know teaspoon, right? Teaspoon, how many milliliters you think can fit inside here? This you put a teh tarik spoon. Inside here, you can fit 5 ml. Now, what is 5 ml? Remember, we learned that 1 ml is 1 cm cube.
5 milliliter.
5 milliliter. So down here now, what is 1? This is now a draw. Down here, can you see? Imagine this is 1 cm by 1 cm by 1 cm. This size is 1 milliliter. Because it's equal, what? 1 cm cube is equal to 1 ml. So you have 5 of these cubes. That's what it is. So what does it mean? What does it mean? So when you buy now, let's say now you buy susu, buy susu, 1 packet like that. Susu, it's 1 liter, it's like that. 1 liter, you check for the 1 liter. So this 1 liter is 1,000 ml. It's also 1,000 cm cube. So that means if you cut into 1 cm cube, you can get 1,000 cm cube. Okay, that's what it means. You must be able to imagine lah. Okay, we are going to move on now because we are dealing with volume and whatnot. Let us go to some of the tricks. We come back to this later lah. You can use your calculator, no problem. Okay, can we try A, B, C, D, please? Volume is length times breadth times height. Length times breadth times height is a volume. Rectangular cuboid now. Don't need to write the units for now because it's a little bit difficult in your. But later we'll go into the units. Okay, we have first answers coming in. Can use. Go. I'm also using, no problem. Okay, Davish, you got calculator? Use your calculator if you want to. Okay, what are you doing, Davish? I can see you lying back as if you are in the seaside now. Come. Okay, Putri, well done for A. What about B? Let me see. I have not done B. Okay, well done, Putri. Zahin, well done for A. What about Akil? Come on, Akil. You're eating something down there. It makes me feel very hungry.
Got sand what?
You got sand. Got sand. Oh, yes. Well done, Akil. What about 5B? B. What would B? And 6A, 6B. Come on. Chayo. Davish, come on, Davish. Use a calculator, Davish. Okay, but don't you put the unit there. If you want to put, we've got to put M to the power of 3, yeah? Okay, but correct. For B is correct. Davish, do you send A? You send A, no. Okay. A is 15 times 12 times, what other number is 1,800, times 10, 1,800. Okay, let's see now. Miss Putri, your B is correct. Let us see whether your A is correct for question 6. Putri is the fastest so far. Yes, well done. Okay, Davish, B is correct. Davish, you're only doing B. A, don't forget, Davish. 36, where you get 36? Oh, 12 times 3, 36. Don't 12 times 3, Davish. 12 times 3 is you're finding something else. You must be 12 times 12 times 12 because this is a cube. Right? Well done, Akil. Well done, Zahin. Zahin, your A didn't say. Okay, never mind. So 192 is correct for A. Where you get 192? Oh, you're giving B. Okay. So Zahin, the next one, Zahin. Davish, what's the answer for 6A, Davish? It's 12 times 12 times 12, Okay, Davish, correct. What about Zahin? What about Akil has done both also. Well done, Akil. Okay, Zahin, good. And the last one, Zahin and Davish. Thanks, Ma. Sabi kami nito. Okay. All right. Now, some students, they say, let's say you write your answer for this one. 12 times 12 is 1728. And then after that, you write CM. Teacher marks you wrong. Then you say, teacher, but what's the correct answer? You know, CM cube, cubic CM. You see, it's only a small tree. Now, it's a world of difference, okay? Now, what does it mean? You know, you look at Putri. Putri has long hair, right? Imagine now I pluck her hair. I'm going to pluck her hair. I pluck her hair. This thing now, you can use a ruler to measure it. Okay, now I'm having Putri's hair, let's say. So I measure, Putri, you don't mind, Putri? Okay, I measure, you see down here. Hers is the 35 cm lah. Okay, I use cm, 35. But now what is square? Square, I think I told this story to some of you. Imagine now I have my last wish and I tell you, if I were to die, I want you to do a favor for me. So Akil says, okay, no problem. I cross the road, I get knocked down by a car. Akil then carries out my last wish. Akil, you remember what's my last wish, right? Okay, so he says, he going to cut out my skin. He cut out. It's a very cruel thing to do, but he's just carrying it out because that's my last wish. So when then I told him, paste it on the whiteboard. So when he cut the skin out, the skin is like that, you know. Okay, this is my eye and all that. So how to measure this one? Can you measure by cm? Can you measure by cm? How to measure? So that's when you use cm2. cm2 is not double cm, it's square cm. You got to cut into squares like that. How many squares? That's why in lower primary you were counting squares for area. See, why not circle? Circle got kosong part inside lah, not accurate. Down here got kosong part. Can you see now got gaps? So you have to use square. So actually you're measuring the skin. Then as I'm lying without my face on the zebra crossing, Akil remembered my last wish lah. He brought an axe and chopped off my head. And he chopped off my head now, and this head of mine now like that, he cut it up with a knife into cubes. Now you can measure volume. So this small 3 down here means you are in cubes. If let's say down here, you are measuring in square. And just like that, you're just measuring length. You get what I'm saying? I cannot take now Putri's hair. I take a Putri's hair, 24 cm cube. How you measure by cube? Cannot, right? You must just use cm. Okay, then square. Square, I even can draw a square on my face. You want me to draw a square to show you? No, okay, thanks, thanks. Zahin looks quite excited. I'm going to draw. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Now, remember the formula. I'm just going to show you one only. I'm just going to show you one. Remember just now we went through. Don't need to do that. We just demonstration. Okay, now this one volume. LBH. Okay. And then what you want to find? You want to find, you say this one length or breadth or height. Never mind lah. Just imagine it's length lah.
360 divided by the 8 times 5.
Okay, so it's volume divided by breadth times height. Remember we were practicing at first? That's what you must do lah. And then you can, so as Mr. Akil says, 360 divided by 5 times 8 times 5, and then you get your answer, which is, yeah, we can find out later lah what the answer is. Okay, can you try now? Question number, I'll give you. This is quite simple. We are going to proceed. Why am I not starting with, actually I wanted to continue with speed, but I think one of our friends here, Dawish, will be very confused because we have already completed almost the whole topic. I want to go at higher level, but no, it's not going to be fair to him. So because of that, I choose for us to start a new topic first. Okay, you try B and C, please. B and C. As they say in Indonesia, ba, bear dan teh. Okay, how you say teh? I think it's the same thing. Teh. Can use a calculator, not a problem. So how to do if let's say you're using calculator, I'll show you later. Okay, I'll show you later, okay? See, but this one got volume, this one got times. Okay, I'll show you later. Oh, you all send your answer already. Let us see, very fast. Very, very fast. Zahin, congratulations. Akil, congratulations. And Putri, congratulations on both. You have scored first, well done. We are waiting for Mr. Dawish. Dawish, are you okay, Dawish? Can, Dawish? Dawish, you're using mental calculator. Can lah, can. No problem. Zahin, well done for C. Okay, we have to go down very, very, very soon. Okay, because they say you cannot leave students alone in the classroom doing nothing. Dawish, what's the answer for B? Just tell me now. So the rest of okay, and C? Well done for B. So if you are using a calculator, okay, you just take volume divided by, let's say you want to find this one, the breadth or height or whatever it is, divide by length, divide by height. You can do like that, so no problem. Okay. You in your calculator, you can do that. Say why can do that? Okay, let's say now the solution is volume over length times height. I thought there's times here. Not really. The times is, okay, you divide by this can and divide by this, possible. You know what I'm talking about now? Are you confused now? In your calculator now, let's say you want to do this question, this one here. Okay, so take 140. You can take 140, then you key in divide by 7, divide by 4. Possible. Okay, can do that. You see, I thought need to times. Okay, you want to times, no problem. 7 times 4, 28. Then take 140 divided by 28. Yes, that is also correct. Okay, if you feel safer to do it that way, 7 times 4, then divide by the answer. Okay. All right, you're going to move on. Dawish, let me see. Do you get the next one, Dawish? The next one, 120 divided by 6 divided by 5, you will get 4. Okay, no problem. We move on. We move on. Now it's going to get a little bit more challenging. Okay, we try this one now. First of all, you all have, how many of you have calculators? You got calculator now? Okay, you got, who don't have calculator? Dawish, you got calculator? Can you get calculator? Because I want to show you, you have. Handphone, there's no this button. Akil, you got calculator? Okay, I want you to look out at this sign. Hold on. Just hold on. Square root. Okay, where is the cube root sign? Ya Allah, I cannot see. Okay, I just show you one thing first. Where is down here? Is yours the same as mine? No. Okay, I think Zahin, yours is same as mine. Can you do me a favor? Each of you, you take your handphone, you take a photo of this. Then I will locate for you the buttons. Okay, I will locate for you the buttons, but there is this one button that Zahin, for this one is this. Can you see this X thing here? Okay, we go by two lah. We go by two first. You search for this button like that. Can you get this button like that? Got, huh? Okay. What is this button? This is called a square root button. Let's say now I have the area of a square is 25 square cm. I want to find what is one side. I use the button. I put in 25 inside here, and I press the equal sign. I'll get 5 times 5. I'm teaching you this. Yes, you can do that. Cannot. You can find that. Now, this is only for paper 2. If for paper 1, how? For paper 1, you got to find out now. What times what equals to 25? Same number. What times what? 25. Oh, 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 5 times 5 can. You got to guess. Now, there is another button. Any of you got this button or not? There's a 3 down here. Any of you got this button? You have that button, Darwish? Anyone else? Now, the rest of you, you will have like that. Correct? Okay. So, I want you now, Darwish, for you, you can do straight. There's now, if let's say I give you the volume of a cube is 1000. Okay, so Darwish, you press down here. You put 1000 and press equal sign. The rest of you, you fill in this with 3. And then fill in with 1000. You try and press equal. Can you get? You know how to get to the button. You got to press shift. Shift. If that is at the bottom part, you got to press shift. I think we have it.
Is the answer 10?
Yes, the answer is 10. Well done. You can get it? Can get it? Zahin can get it? Darwish can get it? Akil can get it? Akil can get it, and Ilhan can get it, right? So now, if you can get it, this is the fast way for you to find the answer. Okay, later, we don't need to, I'm going to give you the questions. Straight away, you do and find out what's the answer. Can? Because, you know, we are trying to find out what is one side. This is a cube, right? It's like 10 times 10 times 10, get 1000. Now we want to reverse. 1000, I want to find one side. Then you got to scratch your head. What times what times what equals 1000? So you can use your calculator. But remember, it's only for paper 2. Okay, here we go. Are you okay, Akil? Yes, I need to kill someone. Okay, come. Here we go. You try this too.
Finish. Mr. Shahid, you are muted.
Sorry, so sorry. You know, yes, well done, Ilhan. Well done, Darwish. All of you, Zahin. Also, Zahin, do you get the first one? Yes, well done. Okay, all of you got the first and second, well done. Is it easy, not using the calculator? Can, huh? So you find that this one now, you cannot use a handphone. Unless you can download an app. I think there must be some app somewhere that will have that sign. Now, so what is that sign called? Okay. So this one, let's say if you put, let's say 25, this is called square root, the cap. If you put like that now with 216, it's called cube root. It's the opposite. But you must put a 3 here. Okay, so not bad. Well done to all of you. You have gotten it. Okay, I can't see the buttons on my calculator, so shame on me. Okay, can you try the next one now? And quickest draw. Oh, now I can see. Okay, yes, well done. First one to come in, Zahin. Congratulations, Zahin, you win a prize. Ilhan, second. Yes, Dawish and Akil. And oh yeah, second is actually Putri. Yeah.
I use my phone, can leh?
Can Is there a button? Okay,
Yeah.
there's a button. Great. You can use your phone. I'm so sorry. I didn't know there's a thing. Okay, great. All right, now we're gonna find now. Be careful, you know how to do this. You know how to do this. Can you try question number 4? Don't be afraid. Use the triangle. See what triangle? The triangle with this one. You use the triangle. Okay. You try to find. Aduh, triangle malele. Volume. What is it you want to find? You want to find the height. What's the formula for the height? See, but I don't have length. I don't have breadth. Look carefully. Think carefully. You have it. You have it already. Anybody. Don't be tricked by this. You have it already. You have it. You have to believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. The force is with you. Okay. Now let us see. We gotta ask you now. Okay, we ask Dawish. He's the newest guy. Dawish, we want to find height. What's the formula, Dawish? Come, unmute yourself. Look at the triangle. Volume over
length times breadth.
Good. What is length times breadth equals to? Area.
Am I correct?
Okay, let's check. Area, right? So you know how to do this. They already give you length times breadth. Congratulations, Miss Putri. They already give you length times breadth. They calculated for you. Correct or not? Can you see or not? You can see or not? Zahin can see what I'm talking about? Okay, I hope you can see here. This thing down here, isn't length times breadth equal to this area? Now they calculate this for you already. So you just need to do 6250. Yes, Akil, well done. Over, what's the number below? 250, is it? Is it 250? I can't see sorry, because when I'm writing, they don't allow, yes, 250. So you divide it, right? You will get 25. So now sometimes the area they can give you down here. Don't worry, it's okay. So if they give you down here is what? Is breadth times height. Sometimes they can give you down here length times height. Never mind. Okay, it's still area, correct? So I just want you to be conscious of that. Okay, we are going to move on now to others like this. And go. They are giving you now down here. And go. Well done, Putri. Well, yes, well done. Well done, Miss Putri. Don't be tricked. Don't be tricked. Come on, you can do this. Maths is actually the easiest subject. See, how can it be? It is. Well done, Putri. You've gotten both correct. You will find as you get better and better in maths, maths is the only subject you can score 100 out of 100. English, you cannot score 100 out of 100. Well done, Ilhan. Well done, Akil. Dawish, are you okay, Dawish? Cannot. Okay, maths is the only subject you can score 100 upon 100. Next time you take geography, history,
It's
chemistry.
not going to be now, basically. Right.
PSLE, yes, I'm sure. Have scored 100 upon 100 for maths? You're asking me, is it? Well, I'm not sure. I ever scored 100 upon 100, but not for the exam. I do not know. For exam, yeah, maybe 90 plus. And the next one, no, not 7 to 9, not 7 to 9. Yes, well done, Ilhan, for question 5 and 6. Congratulations. Well done, Dawish. Ilhan, try again, Ilhan. Okay, I'll just run through the explanation very, very quickly. Okay, down here. Now, we use this formula. Very simple. What is it you want to find? You want to find the height. Okay, you want to find the height. Okay, height means what? Volume divided by area. What? Length times breadth is area. Now, then you want to find below here. Below here, you want to find the breadth. Okay, we don't have breadth lah. Length times height. This is length. This is height. Length times height also get area, but on this side. So this one 294. So take 9996 divided by 294. You will get 34. Zahin, okay, Zahin? All right, okay. So it's the same thing. It's the same thing. Well done, well done, well done, well done. Now you try, okay? You try, or we try this two first. By the way, what's the difference between cube and cuboid? Cube means all sides are the same. Like the Kaaba is a cube. I believe it's a cube. That's why in Malay you call it what? Kubus. I say what is this? Kubus. Kubus, not kubur. Kubur is a graveyard, grave. Cuboid is normally rectangular. Rectangular. One side at least might be a rectangle. Okay, let us see now. Wow. Very fast. I'm not done. I'm not done. I was talking straight away. And you all have finished really faster than me. Okay, let us see. Akil, well done. First one to get it. Irhan, well done. Akil for number 1. Putri number 1. Number 2, let us see. Well done also for number 2. All right, those who give the answer for 1 and 2. Dawish. Tiayo. Ilhan, well done for number 2 also. What about Zahin? Do you send out Zahin? Zahin, where's your answer, Zahin? Come on, Zahin. Are you confused, Zahin? No, right? You're confused. Okay. All right. So now, okay. So we go step by step. If you are confused, you must stop me. No, don't be embarrassed. Alamak, I don't understand. Don't worry, because sometimes your friends might not understand other things. And this is tuition you're supposed to tell. Now, down here now, Zahin, you know how to use this formula thing, Zahin? You know, okay, let me. So you must tell me now. Someone has sent me a message. Hold on now. Now, you want to find what? You want to find AB. AB is what? This is length. This is breadth. This is height lah. Okay? So you want to find breadth, Zahin. What is the formula? Volume over length times height. Now, they already given you volume. 343. They didn't give you the length, didn't give you the height, but they gave you length times height. They gave you this. Length times height is 49. So you put 49 here lah. You will get 7. So what do you discover? You discover actually this is 7 by 7, but it's a cube. But they say cuboid. So what does it mean? A cuboid can be a cube, but not necessarily all the time. So it's like a rectangle. Sometimes they show you a square. Yes, some rectangles are squares, but squares, only some squares are, sorry, what am I saying? Okay, it's like animal and cats lah. All cats are animals, but not all animals are cats. So all squares are rectangles. Is this P6 volume P5? P6. This is from targeting maps. Shaping maps. I'm taking from your school textbook, primary 6B. You don't believe, you can check it out. Now the next one, Zahin. How to do the next one, Zahin? You want to find DE. DE is the height. So volume over length times breadth. They already give you length times breadth down here. Can you see not? Zahin, you must be able to see. Now how to find what? You want to find what? You want to find the height. So we don't look at the height now, we cancel the height. Okay, how to cancel? I'll show you now. Cancel, watch, we cancel. So down here now, you have volume over length times breadth. This is length, this is breadth, Zahin. This is length, this is breadth. Length and breadth 42.
Can I go toilet?
Go. So 210 divided by 42, you get 5. Are we okay, Zain? Can, If you don't know, you must tell, please. This is tuition and you must tell. Okay. Okay, you try now. Okay, we have the first answers. Let's see. Ilhan, well done. Putri, well done. And what about the rest? Come on. Zahin, well done. Davish, cannot Davish? Davish, well done. And there was one boy who went to toilet, so it's okay. Now, what is base area? Now, can you see this word base area? Okay, now when you're sitting down, your base is your buttocks, Okay, if you are standing up, your base is your feet. Okay, so they want you to find the base area, and they tell you this base area is a square. This is square. That means the length and the breadth the same. Think through how you're going to get it. Okay, if you need to, write the formula down and have a look. So you want to find base area. What is base area? This is base area lah. Area what? Base area down here. Like that. So what's the formula? This divided by this. This divided by this. Can you see now? This divided by this. You want to find this. So this divided by this. And we have some answers coming in now. Wow, very fast, very fast. Very fast, Let us see. Then you move on to the last question, question B. Okay, I think you can do it, Ray. Ilhan and Davish, well done. You can use a calculator for this one. Remember, I'll show you how to find square root. You can find. Zahin, well done. Putri, well done. So all of you got 81. You can use your calculator. No, not 10.25. Don't divide by 4, Davish. Or you divide by how many? 8. How you get 10.25? What do you divide by? 4. No, not 4. Divide by 4. 81 divided by 4 get 20.25, not 10. But that one is perimeter, Davish. We are not talking about perimeter. Area is, remember, the number of squares inside. Use the square root button. What times what equals to 81? This is a square. Length times breadth is 81. What times what is 81? Same number times itself. Same number times itself. Come on. Yes, congratulations, Miss Putri. The answer is 9. Or if you want, you can also do this. Remember? If let's say this is paper 2, just do this. Put in number 81 and find out the answer. You will get 9. You try using your calculator. You try. Can you get 9? You try using a calculator. Can you get 9? Can, right? You don't know. Forgot how to do already. You look up for this button. If you are not so sure, look up for this button like that, something like that. Then you put 81 inside and put equal. Sometimes you must press this button first. Sometimes you can put in the number depending on your calculator. Now, so in other words, for paper 2, you can use your calculator. Use your calculator. Okay? But don't press the wrong button. Well done, Putri, well done. Okay, we try now the next one. They tell you again, read carefully, square face. That means this one is a square. This is square. What is this? This is length times height. It's still area, no problem. You can, if you're confused, you can just put down instead of length and breadth and instead of length and breadth and height, you can put length times height times breadth. No problem. See the volume. So length times, because you want to find what? You want to find, yeah. Okay. You know what I'm talking about. You try. You try. Because sometimes if I give you too much, wow. Okay, well done. Well done, all of you. Let us see. Well done. Those who have sent the answer, well done. Huh? Zahin, Ilhan, Putri, Akil, did you send? Akil is still toilet. Akil is here. Oh, Akil toilet. Okay, no wonder. Okay, let me see. Actually, I have not calculated. I just said well done. I forgot. What am I doing? Okay, well done. Well done. Huh? Okay, well done. Notice very easy, right, with the calculator. But remember, for paper one, you got to find a way. And if in secondary one, if you want to learn how to do that, but now I better not teach you how to use without the calculator. We try now the next question. Yeah? Generally, you're all okay. This one now. Wow, very fast. Huh? Who is this? Why? I can't just show the question she can do so fast. It is woman's power. Oh, woman power. Woman power. Okay, well done. To all of you, send your answers, all of them. Well done, correct. And then, well done. Okay. So far, Ilhan, correct. Putri, correct. Darwish, correct. What about Akil? Akil eating. Aduh, dia baru keluar toilet, dia keluarkan barang. Dan dia masukkan barang lagi. Begitulah. The next day after eating, he says, I need to go toilet again. It's okay. Better to go toilet. Huh? I told you my dung story, right? You can make fun. I'm not making fun of you, Akil. Takut after Allah punish me again at the age of 50, 51, and I punish, tie all over. We're going to ask, later we ask you, okay, now cubes and cuboids. Okay, we try this one. So they want you to find the area of the anybody. Akil, what eating? You look so delicious. What is burger? What? McDonald's burger. Makan seorang. Ilhan, okay, Ilhan. Well done, Darwish. You come in first. Congratulations. Collect a free present from your mama. Well done, Ilhan. Darwish. Okay, well done, Putri. We're waiting for and Zahin. Well done. Only Akil. Okay, Akil. Akil can do, Akil? You know how to do not? Busy eating lah. Okay, never mind. Okay. You can try the next two. Try next two and go. Congratulations, Miss Putri. Oh, she's taking revenge. She's not happy. Come in second. Well done, Zahin. Zahin has come in first, I think, this time. Yes, Zahin come in first. Well done, Zahin. But Zahin, you didn't do the first one. You did the second one. What about question 2, Zahin? So in that case, Zahin did not give that, means Putri came in first. Okay, well done, Darwish, Ilhan, Zahin. Yes, you got all both the first one and the second one correct. If you have, yes, well done. Okay, Darwish, well done. Only one person busy makan dia tak mau itu. Tak apalah. Now don't be afraid, okay? This is the same thing. Now imagine now, so how to do this sort of question? Okay, so now this is something you need to. Wire came out. Wire just came out. So now, if you get something like this, I want you to be able to imagine. Now you have okay, you have something like this, and then they tell you the water is like that. The water is here. If they ask you to find the volume of water, very simple, take the height to be here. This is like, let's say height is 10. This is 20, 20. So 20 times 20 times 10, that's the volume of the water. How to find the height? Same formula. But you must take the volume of the water divided by length times breadth equals to the height. Okay? Just take note, just take note. You got to play around with your mind. Play around your mind. Oh, the time is 2:22. Okay, I share something with you again. I do not know whether you're tired. Darwish, are you tired? Not tired. No, don't share anything. Don't share anything. Don't share. We move on. Allah Akbar. Very good. Very good. Ilhan, okay, no, Ilhan. You look as if you're gonna. Okay, you try. Nah, don't share anything. Here we go. Be confident. Be confident because you can do this. Rule number 1, believe in yourself. Rukun iman pertama, percaya kepada Allah. Says, what have percaya kepada Allah got to do with believe in yourself? Well, Allah commanded the angels to bow down to man, Our brain is super powerful. Super powerful. Even the jinns are afraid of us, you know that? That's why they can only hide, and appear like hantu to scare us. If they come out open, we have finished them, This is how powerful human beings are. See, what is this teacher talking about? Okay, never mind. Okay, let us see. Okay, I have not done. Okay, hold on. Find the height of the water tank. Let us see. Base area is 24. The tank contains 7. They give you, think carefully what you want to find. What do you want to find? Ilhan, that's not correct. Let us see. Darwish could be correct. Let us see. Darwish, I think, is correct. Okay, ask yourself, what do you want to find? I want to find the height. So let me cover the height. So what is the formula of the height? Is volume divided by length times breadth. Length times breadth, they already give you. Volume, they give you 72, correct. Divide by 24. Can see not? I hope you all can see, Well done. Okay, generally you are sending me the answers, but can you see? Volume, but don't, careful, some questions they might give you the volume of the tank. This one, they give you volume of the water. So volume divided by length times breadth give you height. Okay. So well done. The answer is 3. Is the unit 3 meters square or 3 meters cube? 3 meters only, 3 meters, because this is not square or cube. You are dealing a height. Okay, same as Putri's hair. Putri, sorry, I cannot use my hair because I got not enough of it. I'm starting the ball. It's a sad thing. Okay, come. We try the next one, the base rectangular. Remember, you can change this into cm cube. Just now we did that. 1 liter is 1000 cm cube. 3 liters is how many thousand? You know. You try. Oh, who's that one? Very fast. I'm not even keyed into my. Okay. Let us see now. First one to come in. Congratulations, Zahin. Zahin, balas dendam. Okay, Zahin. Okay. Come on, the rest of you. Come on. 3. Darwish, congratulations, Darwish. Akil, stop eating. Come, do. I'm not eating, I'm dancing. Okay, stop dancing and do. Come on. Very simple. Putri, can do now, Putri? Can. Draw the triangle first. Say, why draw the triangle? Remember, down here is the formula, what? Come on, it's the formula. Ilhan, so sorry, incorrect. Try again. You want to find what? I want to find the height. Cover height. Volume over length times breadth. This is length, this is breadth. But where is volume? Volume is here. 3 liters is 3000 cm cube. So you put 3000, well done Akil, over 30 times 25. Correct now? You did it right, you will get 4 cm. Are we okay, Putri? Can you understand, Putri? Okay, okay. Here we go. Move on. We move on. Ilhan, come on, your head is hanging already. I saw a lot cartoon last time. The guy was like that. You know what? As a result of looking at video or books, at the shelf become like that. By the way, like that, if you know, you're too young for me to tell you this. I'm so sorry, but I will tell you this. So sorry. All right, here we go. It's actually dealing with body language. If you want to know what signal someone is sending you, there's also a way to find out. Therefore, the human being, if you observe, you can observe many, many things. But anyway, let us try this. They are not asking you for height. Read carefully. Now, some of you may have developed a hatred, a disgust for problem sums. Some might develop a fear. They're asking for the decrease in height. Means from here to here, what is the height from here to here? At first was here, now it's here. You try. Let us see. Oh, is it possible 36, Mr. Zahin? Maybe, I do not know, but it doesn't look like the way that maybe they're not drawn to scale. Oh, cannot be like decrease. It's thousands and thousands. This only 50 cm only. How come you got 1,000? In more than 50, 51 already, there's no more tank. Tak boleh lah, more than Darwish 2 cm, it doesn't look possible. Ilhan 2, okay. Let us do step by step. Can I ask you first a simple question? Sorry. Let me erase this. Now, down here, the amount that goes out, 25. Let us see whether you're right, Akil. This one, there's a volume. They tell you what is the volume. Decrease in height of the water level after 96 liters are poured out. 1 liter is 1,000. 96 liters is how much? 96,000 lah. Actually, you can find now 96,000. Why don't we find what is, you got the length, you got the breadth. Can you find the height? Because this water down here is 96,000 cm cube. Can you find that? So how to find the height? Use the triangle. Okay, wow. Darwish said 20. Ilhan said 20. Well, it looks like it. Maybe 20 is right. Let us see. I'm not too sure whether it's 20 or not. First, let us see. I want to find the height of this thing here. This is what I want to find. I must take volume over length times breadth. Volume is 96,000 over 80 times 60. And I think you will get it. I think 20 is the answer. Perhaps. 96,000 divided by 80 divided by 60. And the answer is 20. So the answer is 20 cm. Okay, so some of you are confused. Let me just look. Okay, Putri, are you confused? Yes. Okay, I don't need to ask that. So long as one confused, I will explain again. Now, down here now. Let me just draw this thing, okay? So that you are very, very clear. At first, it's like that. Here to here 50. Am I correct? Yes. And then the water dropped to this side. Can you see now? Okay, I just show you down here. We have, let me label this. This 80 cm. This one is 60 cm. They want to know what is the water level drop. At first, last time I'm here, now it dropped to down here. So what is this height they're asking? So in that case, I remove this one lah. I just look at this water. Imagine this water is frozen lah. Air batu lah. Air batu I don't need to, that 50 cm how? Don't bother about the 50 cm. Don't bother about 50 cm. So what to do? Okay, they tell you this volume here is 96 liters, which is the same as 96,000 cm cube. You see why? Because 1 liter is 1,000. They even tell you in the question. So this volume is 96,000. You got the length that's now 80. The breadth is 60. You want to find what? You want to find the height. Height of this air batu lah. Imagine this air batu. So volume over length, breadth, height. So you have something like that, right? You want to find height. Volume over length times breadth. Height equals to volume over length times breadth. So volume is 96 over length is 80, breadth is 60. See what about the 50? Sometimes they give you information you don't need to use. Sometimes you learn things in school you don't need to use in life. You ask your parents, how many % of the things they learn in school they use in life? In fact, many of the things they learn in school they even forget. So the 50 cm don't need to use. Putri, okay not Putri?
My mother forgot about the how to find a circle.
That's why. So sometimes because, okay. Oh, forgot add a 0. Okay, all right. Yeah, maybe you're right. Okay, so sometimes the question give you extra information. In life is like that, right? In life is like that. You want to solve a murder. Got so many suspects. Who? You cannot just go to one. You are a murderer. You have to check, look at the evidence. Okay. And now we move on. You try. You can do this. You can do. First thing you must believe is you can do this. If you believe you cannot do this, habis. Darwish, first thing you must believe in yourself, Darwish. Darwish, you believe you can get 70 plus for maths? Cannot. Then how to get? You must believe first. You see, you must be. See, but how? I cannot think it's possible. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it's possible or not possible. If of course possible lah. Okay, later I will tell you why it's possible. Let me see. Oh, wow, Putri very fast. Let me see. Okay, they're asking for new height. Be careful. Be careful. Let's see whether you got it. Hey, hold on. So again, as I said, you don't need to use some of the information for some steps. Let us see. Okay, so Ilhan, you got the correct answer. You got this one. But now they're not asking you for this, Ilhan. They're asking you for this. You already got Ilhan. Ilhan tengah tidur lah. Ilhan, you got the answer. Akil, congratulations. Ilhan, you already got this one, Ilhan. They're not asking you for this. They're asking you for this. You know this one is what? Putri, you also got this one, Putri. They're asking you for the bottom. Akil, well done, Akil. Congratulations. You win for yourself another burger from McDonald's. But you know, McDonald's food, you eat every day is not good. Your mom's food is better. Yes. Putri, you understand, right, Putri? Come on. Where is the 3 liters? 3 liters is down here. On top here. Okay, imagine put air batu inside there. Okay, can Darwish can do not, Darwish? Can, Zahin? Don't give up, Zahin. I think your enemy is behind you. Is he going to beat you or something? Yes. Okay. All right, let's see. I'm going to draw this again. But notice, because this more or less is the same, I just am using a different color. Okay, I will now write it down. Yes, go. So now, let us go step by step. Okay. They tell us at first the water is right until the red line here. Full. And then 3 liters, this is 3 liters, is pour out. This one is pour out. Now the line is at the blue line. So that means, imagine now, this water now that is in black color. I will use black color, hold on. This one now, the black one here, this is 3 liters. We know now I rub off this one first. Don't worry about the 15, okay? This is 3 liters. Down here is 30, down here is 20. So you find the height. How to find the height? Height equals to volume over length times breadth. See, how come I get this one? Look at your triangle. Sorry, look at your triangle. Length, breadth, height. You want to find the height, cover height. Volume over length times breadth. So volume is, this one is how many? 3 liters is 3,000 cm cube. So put 3,000 here. Over length is 30. And then breadth is 20. When you divide, okay, you cancel 30, you get 100. Then 100 divided by 20, you get 5. So what does it mean? The height is 5. But remember, down here was 15. So now they're asking you, what is this height? 15 minus 5 give you 10. Are we okay? Darwish okay nak? Zahin okay? Adik Zahin okay nak? Adik Zahin? Jangan bully ni abang lah. But the moment you say that, he will do something. He's hiding behind you. Wow. He's like, you know, sometimes now certain shark, they're on the back. Okay, here we go. We try the next one. Again, believe. Same. Is it the same? Sorry. Is it the same? No, it's not. Okay. For a while, look at the same, man. Okay. But answer is the same. Why? Why are they doing this? All right, let's see. Yeah, answer is the same. Yes, well done, Akil. Very fast, Akil. I notice when you eat your tongue, it's very fast. Wow. Is that a sausage or your tongue? Sausage, tongue. Aduh. Oh, yes, you are correct, Putri. We're waiting for the rest. Same thing. Remember, this 6 liters is the water poured out. Poured out means water yang dibuang. And yeah, water yang dibuang is from here lah, down here, all inside here, down here. This water lah. So take water dibuang, 6,000. Why 6,000? Because they say 6 liters. You divide by length times breadth. 40. Yes, Elhan, you gotten 5 down here, correct. But they're asking you at the bottom there, times 30. You will get 5. But that is not the answer because the whole thing is 15. Minus 5, you get 10. Just like just now. That's why it looks so similar. Now, Darwish, are you confused? Confused, Tavish, are you confused? Yes. Zahin confused also. Okay, so okay, we try again. Now, okay, the sorry, I will now try this one. Okay, imagine now I have this water lah now. Yeah, I have this amount of water in the tank. I do not know the height. The length is 40 cm, the breadth is 30 cm. The amount of water is 6 liters. Can you first find the height? Okay, you all try this lah. Try this, Can you first find the height? You must be able to do this one now. Okay. Well done, Darwish. Well done, Ilhan. Zahin, me waiting for you, Zahin. Putri, well done. Zahin, well done. Okay. Now you say this is 5, good. Now the question tell you, actually, this one is water yang dibuang actually. The whole height is 15 cm. The whole height is 15. Just now you found 5 cm is the water that's thrown away. The whole height is 15. Can you find this one? This one, Zahin and Darwish will do. What is the balance water height left? Zahin and well done, Zahin. Darwish. That's it, that's the answer. That was the question just now. There's no question. If you do not know, you look at it. That was the question. Water buang 15 minus 5. Okay, Darwish? Zahir, okay? Darwish, you look blur still. Darwish, you get it not? You get it? I don't know. That means tired already, tired. You want me to share a story? No need. Don't share. Okay. Don't share. Okay, good. Okay, that's good. Oh, someone was putting up. Who was putting up? Oh, I thought Ilhan was putting up something. It's actually a chart at the back, a green chart at the back of him. I thought he wanted to show me something. Let's try now this one now. This one, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Yes, offer. What offer? Durian offer. By the way, you should get mangoes. It's very, very cheap. I'll show you some mangoes later. I buy for $2 only. Very cheap, man. Normal price is $5 no. $4 to $5 if it's not in season. Oh no, I'm not done yet. Now this one is terbalik punya question . Now they pour in water. Okay, let's see. 2 answers are here. What are their answers? And congratulations, Darwish. Akil, incorrect. I'm so sorry. Please try again. Akil, where are you? Come back to us. Well done, Putri. Zahin can. Can. Believe. Okay, Zahin, this 1,500 is not the whole volume, is the water that's added. Can you find the height from here to here? If you can find the height from here to here, 8 plus that lah. Akil, your answer is incorrect, Akil. So sorry, second attempt. That means you're guessing, It is about guessing, Of course, I guess I've been guessing all the time. In fact, if I were to buy a lottery, 4D, I surely win. Aduh. Zahin, can you find this one, Zahin? You know how to find? This one now they tell you 1,500. What you want to find? Find the height. What is height? Volume. Hold on. This is volume over length times breadth. Then you get the height now. So what do? Volume is 1,500 over 25 times 10. Okay, what do you get? Cancel 0, cancel 0. You divide this, you get 6. So this is 6 cm, Zahin. So Akil, this is 6 cm. 8 plus 6 are 14. 14 cm. Akil can do not, Akil? How come your hair is blonde now? You look Korean now, you look Korean. I love to be Korean. Don't love to be Korean. They are not proud of who they are. They have done a lot of cosmetic surgery. That means they are not confident of who they are, no? I think if they're those stars, they have done cosmetic surgery, you ask them to show their childhood photos, they'll be very embarrassed. Why? Because I'm sure they don't look like how they look when they are a child. Here there was the case of, never mind, come, we do this one. Rectangular tank, 60 by 40. It's filled with water up to 25 cm. This is same like just now, You are able to do it. All right, anyone? Both Akil, so sorry. Ilhan, congratulations, you're the first one who get it correct. Akil, you're close to that, but I think you play agak-agak method. This one look at half times 2. Do you do that? Aduh, don't play guessing method lah. Ilhan, well done, Ilhan. Ilhan, you remind me of Jackie Chan. Darwish, you are correct, but you did not find the whole thing. You only found this one down here. You must plus the bottom one because they want the whole thing, Darwish. Come on, Darwish. Oh, Darwish not correct. Putri correct. Well done. Akil, well done. Okay, who else? Zahin. Zahin, come, Zahin. Zahin, how to find this one? Zahin, I'm not, right? Zahin, how to find this height down here? You try to find, tell me what's the height. Ilhan, you remind me of, have you watched Jackie Chan's Drunken Master? It's on Netflix, you watch. Okay, you are like the person, it's like drunk, but he can do the questions. Tip top. Jackie Chan in that movie is mabuk, but he can fight. Mr. Zahin, come. You have, this one is 60. This one is 40. You got the volume you say is 72 liters, which is 72,000 cm3. What is the height, Zahin? Come on, Zahin, use the formula. You want to find the height. Just put in the values, you will get the height. What is the height, Zahin? Yes, well done. So just plus to the 25. This is 30 plus 25, you get 55. Okay, done deal. All right, we move on to the next one. And go. Oh, very good, Aristas. You can concentrate all the way. In the first part, don't bother about 37. In the first part, don't bother about 37. Okay, Zahin, the first part, don't bother about 37 first. Don't be quite confused by extra information. We have an answer from Akil. Well, I think Akil, I'm so sorry, your answer is incorrect. Incorrect means not correct. Please try again, come on. Oi, very small lah. Who is this, Ilan? Duncan Master, cannot be like that lah. Not even 1 cm. That's 0.0, very small, say. Cannot be lah. You know why? I think you forgot to convert this 24.5 liters. You must convert times by 1,000. Congratulations, Mr. Dawish and Miss Putri. Well done. Okay, you win a prize, huh? What's the prize? Dawish, you know what's the prize, right? Don't collect now. I thought he's going to collect the prize now. Oh, yeah, that's the prize. Oh, sure. Huh? You alone can makan. Huh? Akil, I'm so sorry. There is not an answer. Come on. In 1 minute's time, we will have to show you how to do this question. 2.8, too low. Okay, now we forget about this one now. Okay, so this is
Can we
now
end the class now?
End the class now? Cannot now. Why? Zahin, no. You also got 2.8. Okay, one by one. Here we go. Imagine this 37 is not there. We don't look at it yet. The volume of water is 24.5. Now, what 24.5 liters? This is equals to how many? 24,500. So what is it you want to do? You want to find the height down here. Why you want to find the height down here? Because later you can take this whole height minus this height, get that. So now what is the height of the water? Very simple. How to find the height? Height of water is volume over length times breadth. Volume is 24,500. Sorry. 24,500. Then you divide lah. You all can divide this. Come. Tell me what's the answer. Those who have not found the answer, please. Putri and Dawish already found. Those who have not found. Zahin and Akil, who wants to run away. And one more. Ilhan. You times, what do you get? You divide, you will get what? Divide 850, yes. 850, yeah. So you get 245,000, divide 35, divide by 25. You get 28. Guys, from here to here is 28. See how to find this one. Now we look at this information now. 37 minus 28, you get 9. Not 10, Akil. 37 minus 28 is 9. But I'm looking, many of you are looking very tired already. Come on. Okay, we do the last two questions lah. Or last one or two questions, depending. Can we try this? Come on. Five minutes more. Just a little more to endure. Too big lah, too big. Are you sure you got the answer? Maybe I might be wrong. Okay, hold on. Let me see. Maybe my calculation was wrong. Maybe. Oh, you're correct. Well done. Putri, Akil, Dawish, congratulations. What about the other students? Irhan and Zahin. Okay, you can try the next question. you try the next question. Why you don't want, Akil? So Ilhan, well done. You got this to be 20. Well done. But they want you now to find the whole height of the tank. They tell you this is 1/3. Then that means there's another third. So you must times by 3, Ilhan. Yes, well done, Ilhan. Zahin, are you okay, Zahin? You too tired, ah? Brim means to the very top. Brim means to the very top. Okay. Yes, 2:57. We still got time. Akil, come on, Akil. Let's see. Ilhan has given, Putri has given another answer. Okay, we are trying this one, huh? Okay, now everyone got different answer. Okay, Akil, okay, all different answer lah. So I will run through. Now down here, this I'm drawing only the top part. They say the top part is 96 liters. And 96 liters means the volume of the top part, not bottom. Top part is 96,000 cm cube. Now, let us find, sorry, this 9,600. We want 96,000, okay, cm cube. This is the volume. Now, we have the length, we have the breadth. We can find the height. So you divide by the length and breadth, you will get the height. So let us see what is the height. Okay. 96,000 divided by 80 divided by 50, and the answer is 24. Okay, so Putri says it's 24. So what is 24? It's the height. Height of what? It's the height of down here only. This height is 24 cm. They want you to find the height of the whole thing. So now how? Okay, they tell you at first this amount of water is 2/5. That means this amount of water is how many fifth? 3/5 lah. Because 5 out of 5 is the whole tank. So that means the one down here is 3/5. So now we know that the height 3 units is 24. Because this is 3 units, right? On top is 3 units. Bottom down here is 2 units. See, it's 2/5. That means we can have layers, 5 parts. We got 5 units, 2 units at first, 3 units is the later part, which is how many? What's the height? The height is 24 cm. You find what is 1 unit. Divide by 3. You get 8. Hold on. And then after that, you want to find, yes, correct. You and Zahin are correct. You want to find 5 parts because total is 5 parts. So 8 times 5, you get 40. Okay. I hope you all get it. Okay, I hope you get it. I repeat again. Down here now, they say this is 2/5. So it's 2 parts lah. Balance is 3 parts. 3 parts is 96 liters. So that means the height that you found 24, this is 3 parts. 1 part divided by 3 get 8. 5 parts is the whole height. Is 40. Okay, yes. Oh, Akil says it's 3 or 1 really. Okay. Thank you very much. We see you each other again next week. Assalamualaikum. Dawish, are you okay? Dawish? Can follow? No problem, right? Okay.